Hey guys, so I just parked and I'm gonna go get some coffee, but first we gotta pay for the meter. The problem is I only have 2 nickels and 1 quarter, and that only gets me 21 minutes. It's 3:40 p.m. and this time runs out at exactly 4 p.m. So let's see if we grab a coffee and get back to my car in time before the meter runs out. Not trying to get a ticket. If the line takes more than 10 minutes, and then ordering my coffee takes about 2 to 3 minutes, and then making my coffee takes another 5 to 10 minutes, I might not make it in time. But I'm also not leaving without my coffee. Hi. Could I get the banana cream mocha ice, please?
Yeah, banana cream.
To go, please. Thank you. Okay, so we just ordered our coffee. It is currently 3:51 p.m. I'm really hoping this coffee comes out in time. We have 9 minutes left to spare.